War day number 504. Good morning, everyone. Welcome today in the daily newspaper of Wednesday, July the 12th, 2023. Yes, we have here in this daily newspaper three regular puzzles, and those puzzles are the binary puzzle, the killer Sudoku, aka Sudoku Mix, and the medium Sudoku. In this newspaper, we have also an additional with extra puzzles. Let me show you the extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the letter Sudoku. We have here 2 stars and the 3 stars Sudoku. Well, those Sudokus ain't 2 or 3 stars. This one has 28 printed digits. This one has 29 printed digits. Should be 0 or both 0 Sudokus. Anyway, let's continue. 4 star Sudoku we have here. The tectonic with 4 stars. Tectonic with 1 star. And the binary. And these puzzles I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. I won't do them all. Only half of them I will solve in the evening. Tonight, yes. Why? Well, it's too much for me. Time consuming. And I need the same time for uploading it to YouTube. Yeah. Alright, the first Sudoku. Binary puzzle, yeah. Well, news of today, yeah, I've told you war day number 504. More than 500 days ago, the war started in Ukraine. Everything has been changed in the world. Yeah. After the corona, I believe. Yeah. Number 6739. This will be. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 27 printed digits. What kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 by 10. That means in a row or in a column, there are always 5 ones and 5 O's. Alright, so let's get started. We have here double O, here 1, there 1, 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 double O, here 1, there 1. Alright, now the double ones. Double 1, here no, there no, double 1, here no, there no. Double 1, here no, there no, double 1, here no, there no. Double O's, here 1, there 1. Double ones, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double ones, here no, there no. Double ones, here no, there no. Well. Between 2 ones comes an O, double O, here 1, there 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. So the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between 2 ones comes an O, double O, here 1, there 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. So the rest are O's. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Between 2 O's comes in 1. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 1. So the rest are O's. Between 2 ones comes an O. Then 1, 2, 3, 4. And an O between and 1. And an O with 2 empty boxes between. There's always an O and a 1 there. But I do not know in which order. So we have the first one. So first O, second O, third O, 4th O and 5th O. So those 2 boxes should be a 1 then. Between the ones comes an O. Double O, here 1, there 1. Yeah, now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 1. So the rest are O's. Yeah. now. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4 O's. If I place number 5 here, then we have 3 ones in a row in this row. Not allowed one of the rules, so this can we know this should be a 1. Now we have a double 1 here, no, there, no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are 1s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 1s. So the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between 2 1s comes an O. Between 2 1s comes an O. And we have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 1s. So the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. 5 1s we have here. So the rest are O's. Then double 1 here, no, there, no. Double O, here 1, there 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 1. So the rest are O's. Between the O's comes in 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, and this is number 5. The 5th one, double check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. Yes. Double 1 here, no, there, no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Yeah, now. Here we have 4 1s, 4 O's. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. 4 1s. Yeah. 2, 3, 4 O's. 3 1s. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are 1s. Double 1 here, no, there, no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are 1s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 1s. So the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are 1s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 1s. So the rest are O's. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are 1s. Finished in 7 minutes. Well, we solved it again. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And I will see you in a minute with the second regular puzzle, the medium Sudoku. Is it a medium? Don't think so. We will see. Until then, bye-bye for now.